In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or change the screen resolution in Steam. Whether you're having trouble with your current settings or just want to tweak the resolution for a better gaming experience, this guide is here to help. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your file manager. This is where all of your computer's folders and files are housed, and it's going to help us navigate to exactly where we need to be. Once you've got your file manager open, take a look at the left or top panel and locate the option labeled This PC. Click on it to access the drives on your computer. Next, you need to find the drive where your Steam files are stored. Most commonly, this is located on the local disk C. Navigate and click on local disk C to open it up. Now, you're going to look for a folder named Program Files x86. Go ahead and click on that folder. With that folder open, scroll through until you find the folder named Steam. Go into this folder by double-clicking on it. Now, within the Steam folder, you should see a range of folders and files, but what we're interested in is a folder named Steam Apps. Go ahead and open Steam Apps. Inside Steam Apps, you'll see a folder named Common. Click on this to proceed. This is where all your installed Steam games are stored. What you'll want to do now is to find the specific game folder for which you want to adjust the resolution settings. Open up that game folder. Now that you're inside the game folder, right-click and select Properties. This will open a new window that lets you see different attributes and properties associated with this folder. Here, you'll want to click on the tab or file indicated by the installation script. This is what determines how your game installs and often contains configuration settings for how the game launches. Once you're looking at those settings, find the option to apply changes and then click Apply followed by OK. This ensures that any changes you make are saved and stored. Now open up your Steam client and navigate to your library. Locate the same game you selected earlier in the game file. Right-click it, and once again you'll see an option for Properties. Click on it. After opening the Properties window, look for a tab or option labeled Installed Files. Select it, and you'll see areas where you can adjust various settings. Here, you can specifically type in your desired screen resolution, whether it's 1080 or any other preferred resolution. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through all the steps to change or fix the screen resolution for your games in Steam. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!